Good day, this is Bruce of Cantotech and we're here to review the TP-Link Omada series AC1750. So this is the EAP 245 series which is controlled by the OC200. So this is the version 3. So if you will be buying a TP-Link, the technical support number is always listed. So this one is 1300 plus 450 Mbps, free centralized management, long-range cover, seamless roaming, and PoE adapter included. So what's good about this system is that if in case you have a PoE version, you can just directly plug this over your switch. Actually, later on after this video, we will be reviewing the PoE version switch of the TP-Link so that when you connect this system to your access point, you don't need to run it through a power support or power cable. Basically, the power will just go through the Cat5e or Cat6 cable. So let's just do a quick unboxing and impression for the AC750. So let me just remind you, this is the version 3. The version 3 looks kind of different. It's more wavy and more unique in style rather than the squarish or circular square boring type of access point. So as we unbox, we can see the plug. So this is the mount. So you can actually do a ceiling mount or a wall mount for your access point. So what's good about this one is that it provides you all the screws and torque. So which means you just need to have a drill. So this is, by the way, the PoE adapter. You plug the 220 volts on the other end. By the way, this is the torque and screw. So this is the mount. So if you don't want to screw mount it on your wall, you can just use a double-sided tape. So we actually use a double-sided tape in our studio. So this is the back plate, so you can unclip and clip it properly. So this is the 220 volt port, and this one is the PoE port. So the next one after the PoE adapter, it doesn't provide you the Cat5e or Cat6 cable. So basically you need to manually create your own or buy it from your convenience store or closest hardware store. Other than that, you have some paper, some TP-Link other products, and the quick installation guide. So inside the quick installation guide, it's a big paper. So you can basically see how to quickly install your unit. So you can easily follow the instructions, or actually just by opening the box, you can just quickly set it up at ease. So this is the ceiling mount guide. So wherein you need to put the, the back plate, and then you just need to twist to secure your unit on the back plate. So without further ado, after we've checked the manual, let's go check the unit itself. So I just showed you some of the quick manual so you know what's inside the manual before buying this product. So it even shows you how to set it up. So one part, if you want to plug it directly to your router without using a switch, you can actually do so by this setup and via a PoE switch. Later on, actually, we're going to be reviewing the 8-port PoE switch of the TP-Link as well, so that you can use this one switch device to power all your access point or your EAP225, no matter indoor version or outdoor version or the ceiling mount version. So this is actually so far what we've tested and see from this TP-Link Omada series is that it's still better that you connect your system via LAN cable. It's still more stable rather than the wireless version. For the wireless version, you need to have at least a connection of negative 75 dBi. So let's go ahead and unbox the unit itself. So this is the unit. It's carefully packed in a anti-static bag. So if in case you want to store it back, please put it back in the same bag. So this is the unit. So it's very clean. This is the version 3 once again. So if you will be buying, please buy the version 3. So you can see that the side there's no extra holes for the ventilation. This machine actually is not that hot, so it's a bit efficient compared to the other devices. So this is the bottom part. So at first, you would see that you need to position it carefully because it's a twist type lock system. So after you have carefully placed the back part, so which is this way, so you just need to put the back part and carefully twist it. So make sure that when you put this back plate is already everything is already measured. So what we really liked about this device is that when you use the app to connect or to check the wireless connectivity from a system to another system, it actually shows you the DB connection, wherein it tells you the signal strength. The minimum, at least bare minimum connection should be at least around -75 dB. Later in another video, we will show you the app and how to check the connectivity power if you're going to be connecting the device wirelessly. But still, we strongly suggest that you connect this via cable. Once again, this is Bruce of Cantotech. We hope that you like our unboxing and review for our AC1750 wireless dual band gigabit ceiling mount access point by TP-Link.